Hello and welcome. Today let's speak about how to clean your coffee machine, even if it don't have the program to clean brew unit by tablet from coffee oils. Let's power on our coffee machine. It will start, and when some water will dispense from it. Okay, our coffee machine is ready for use. We need a tablet. My advice to break apart this tablet by 4 parts, so it will clean our brew unit more consistently. So let's do this. Open our tap for ground coffee and put our tablet. This is what I do to just break apart this. Put on this tap. When we choose ground coffee on our coffee machine, and just pressing espresso lungo to make about 150 milliliters of water. When water dispenses from your coffee machine, it will clean your brew unit by this tablet. Water will change color, and we will find out what cleaning process is working. As you see, it's have a blue color. If you use another tablet, the color will change, of course, by color of your tablet. Okay, now tablet is inside our brew unit. We must wait about 5 minutes when this tablet will work and clean brew unit and this dispenser to dispensers, because coffee oils always put a store inside this coffee dispenser too. When last 5 minutes, we need to open our doors, take outside brew unit, clean this brew unit in hot water to remove all parts of tablets what will stand in this brew unit, and then repeat our action. So choose ground coffee and choose espresso lungo. You need to do this 2 or 3 times to clean your coffee machine inside from parts of tablet. If you do this, you will clean your coffee machine from coffee oils, even if it don't have this program. This is so easy, so I can suggest you can do this easily. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.